Good day, sir. We are the group 4, and we are about to discuss our topic, which is the fuel emission environmental. So first, what is fuel emission? Fuel emission, direct emission are created when fuel is used to generate electricity or heat during chemical operations or when machinery or industrial processes leak. The use of fossil fuels or energy results in the majority of direct emissions. So yung fuel emission daw po is nangyayari o nagaganap daw po ang fuel emission kapag yung gasolina po ay ginamit upang makapag-generate ng init or electricity. So, pwede rin daw pong magkaroon ng direct emission tuwing may chemical operation or kapag nag-leak po yung mga processes ng machinery or industrial. So, next one po is, what is fossil fuel? So, fossil fuels are made from decomposing plants and animals. These fuels are found in the Earth's crust and contain carbon and hydrogen, which can be burned for energy. So, dito naman po sa fossil fuel, ito daw po is being obtained or made mula sa mga decomposition ng plants and animals. So, matatagpuan po yung mga fuels na ito around the Earth's crust, which contains carbon and hydrogen, na maaari nating magamit para magkaroon ng energy through burning. So next po. So there are three major types of fuels. First one is the petroleum oil. So petroleum oil, it is a liquid, and after its extraction, it is refined into other types of fuels such as airplane fuel, diesel, and etc. So dito po sa petroleum oil, kadalasan pong ginagamit itong petroleum fuel sa marine diesel engines, and meron po silang different grades ng petroleum fuel. So, in general po, yung high grade fuels are environmental friendly po siya, pero medyo pricey po yung ganitong uri ng fuel. So, for the next type of fuel, we have natural gas. It is a non-renewable, odorless, colorless, flammable, and non-toxic hydrocarbon. If we burn natural gas, it releases a significant amount of energy. It can be both gaseous and liquid. So dito po sa natural gas, ito po yung mixture siya ng mga gas which is rich sila sa hydrocarbons. Gases like methane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and etc. So, ito pong natural gas na ito is matatagpuan sila mostly sa atmosphere. So, hindi po ginagamit yung itong natural gas as its pure form. So, pinaprocess po muna ito at kino-convert into cleaner fuel para po ma-consume natin yung gantong uri ng gas. So, for the next one is, we have coal. It is a carbon-based combustible block rock. We can burn it. We can burn it for energy. Unfortunately, coal is the most harmful to the environment. So, yung coal daw po is both the largest source of electricity and the largest single source ng carbon emission. So, medyo harmful po yung paggamit po ng coal sa ating environment dahil sa pag-emit nito ng carbon sa ating surroundings. So they are used as source of energy for heating, electricity, and fuel for vehicles. Next one, we have the major source of nitrogen oxide emission includes, example, we have cars and trucks, coal-fired power plants, large industrial operations, and ships and airplanes. So, what is the relation of fuel emission to the environment? Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is released into the atmosphere in massive quantities when fossil fuels are burned. Global warming is caused by greenhouse gases, which trap heat in our atmosphere. Already, there has been a 1 degree rise in the average global temperature, more sea level rise, extreme weather, biodiversity loss, species extinction, food scarcity, deteriorating health, and increased poverty are all risks associated with warming above 1.5 degrees Celsius. So, tuwing nagbaburn tayo ng fossil fuels, nagre-release po ito ng carbon dioxide or greenhouse gas into large quantities which is hindi po maganda sa ating environment. So ito rin po yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit patuloy na nagaganap yung global warming and because natatrap yung init nito sa ating atmosphere. So sa ngayon po ay tumaas na ng 1 degree Celsius sa ating average global temperature and also the rise of sea levels, pagbagyo, pagka-extinct ng mga hayop and etc. So yung mga dahilan po na yun is because po sa pag-iimit po ng carbon dioxide sa ating environment. So the next one po is about the advantages and disadvantages which ire-report po ni Raven Libak.
Good evening po, sir. The impact of fuel emission on climate change and our planet. Coal is largest source of global temperature rise. Coal releases a huge amount of carbon when burned, approximately a third of the world's total carbon emissions. There are also been a number of oil spills in recent years that have a devastating impact on our ocean ecosystem. As opposed to coal and oil, natural gas is frequently look at it as a cleaner energy sources. Natural gas, which contributes about one fifth of all global carbon emissions, is still a fossil fuel. Also, the burning of gasoline contributes to climate change as a produces carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Electricity sector also make up the vast majority of greenhouse gas emissions. Electricity produced during the combustion of fuels. Next one, please. What are the advantages of fossil fuel? Easier to store and transport. It is cheap. It is more reliable than renewable energy. Easier to store and transport po. Kaya po, yun po yung dahil transportation of oil and gas can be done easily through pipelines po. Tapos, it is cheap po dahil po they are cost effective po and it is more reliable than renewable energy dahil yung fossil fuels po can generate a large amount of electricity at a single location po. In next. What are the disadvantages of using fossil fuels? Not renewable energy sources pollutes the environment. At renewable energy sources po dahil pag nag-combustion po fossil fuels po makes the environment po more acidic. This has led to unpredictable and negative charges in the environment po. Tapos, sa pollutes the environment, fossil fuels po nag-emit po siya ng carbon dioxide po nag-init po, which is a major greenhouse gas and the primary source of pollution po. Ito po yung nagko-contribute po ng global warming po sa mundo po natin. Next. How can we help our environment at home? First, be energy efficient. Use renewable energy such as solar energy. Avoid using plastics. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Plant trees. And find an alternative transportation option using bicycle or public transportation. Thank you po.